This one is 15 meter by 5 meter landing craft boat, which is multi-purpose use with the diesel engine, shaft and propellers. Hello, I'm Roger from Gospel Boat. Today we have this special boat which is custom designed and built for one customer named Martin from Philippines, and will be used as charter wine for the Palawan Island. So you can see the side of the boat all being put rubber fenders, which is quite heavy duties. And we have been make ready on these 3 cradles, and we also put the anti-folding finish from Jordan anti-foldings. So this is for the long-term use for the boat sit on the waters, not on the trailer boat. And you can see the side of the boat. The streamline is very special for the diesel engines. So we make the design, everything ready, and the customer, he will be installation the used diesel engine Cummins in Philippines, and also the shaft and the propellers. On the front of the warehouse, we have the big storage on the front with 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have the wiper as well for the actual cabin windscreens. Then we have the specially watertight aluminum door, which is good for the rough seas. So you can see the locking system is quite good for the locking and the release. Now let's go inside to see the interior of the boat. As a long-term user charter boat, this 15 meter is required by the owner to make very comfortable captain seat. So we order this wine. It's very comfortable, soft, good backrest, and good visibilities when you're driving the boat. So you can see we have put this big screen from Garmin. And everything, the control, the windlass, all the light, the VHF. So this one is designed for use. You can control easily from this dash for all the lights, all the equipment. So it's a kind of high technology combinations. And also you see we have pulled the 2 fans for the cooling of this area for captain and co-captain. As a multi-purpose boat, this 15 meter landing craft is being used for the passenger and also for the cargo. So you can see inside of the boat is good for the 12 people sitting comfortably like me. So we have 3 on each row with these long tables. And we have other side 2-row seat, which is quite good when you have the crew transfer on board. Then we have the starboard side, also with the locking door. It's the cushion bed. It's good for the crew on board, so they can have good sleeping. And all put the fans for the hot countries. And all inside is being decoration with these seatings for the good. So after close the door, it's very quiet inside. Good for sleep. Then we have this passageway with steps. It go to the rear deck. And then on the port side, You can see we have this is the shower, which can be hot water and cold waters. Then with the step, we have the sink and this sliding window. We have the toilet room here, electric toilet. As a charter boat, this kind of boat is normally for operation long time, few days on the oceans. So you have very important for the enough provisions, and you have this galley area is quite important for the cooking, for the passenger, for the crews on board. So we have a lot of things being installations based on the requirement from the owner. From the galley area, we have the water maker, which is the transfer from the seawater to the fresh water. This is very important for the long-term operation of this charter vessel on the offshore. Then we have this area with stone galley, the sink, and the oven for the barbecue, cooking. We have the micro oven as well. And we have some storage door. Then you can see from the inside of this areas, we have the main engine is here. This is a vent for the aircon, and we have also the more storage. You can see on the back of the boat we have the small davit, which is easy for picking up some light cargoes. Then we have a rear deck, the ladder to go to the roof and exchange canopy. On the roof, top roof, we have a lot of solar panels for the power of the in-house. Then we have the sliding windows on the sides, a big bollard, and designed for ultra cabins. Then you can see all the windows and door is quite different because all these are watertight. It's different from what we used before. You can see we have this crane and the hydraulic station, especially for picking up the cargo from the side of the boat for multi-purpose operation of this landing craft. The most important feature for the landing craft boat is boarding ramp. It's this wrap door. So when you have the loading cargo, you have the forklift drive on board, or you can have the small car drive on the boat for the cargo and the transfer the car. So we have the hand winch on each side for this wrap, and we also making this locking system here, which makes sure the safety and also the safety chain. Also, you can see the winch for the wrap door is quite strong with a rod and a lot of support. Also, we have the rubbers all around, all the way along the wrap door to make sure very good weatherproof and rough sea water resistant. Another important feature for this boat is we have the hydraulic crane. So it can be operated from here, can be easily operation from moving the cranes. You can see the mark of this working radius is 1.39 meters. Lifting capacity kg is 1,600 kgs by the 2.3 3 meters is 1,000 kg, which maximum can be 4.23 meters by 300 kilograms. It's quite a multi-purpose crane. Now I'm standing on the rear deck of the boat. So you see we pulled this 4.2 meter dinghy boat. This originally will be put on the roof of the boat for any emergency. The crew can launch this boat on the ocean for safety purpose. This compulsory requirement from the port authority. Then we have, you see from the big deck, this big hatch is for the main engine entrance. So this can be picked up by the crane and for inspection the engine and do the regular maintenance. Also we have this awning canopy, which will be put soft canvas on top for the more sunshade. Then we have the davit on the side with a hand winch, which is good for 200 to 300 kg picking capacities. Now you can see the roof of the boat. You can see we put 4 big solar panels on the roof. It's good for the power from the sun to power the in-house electronics. And we also will be put this 4.2 meter dinghy on the boat, and also the arch of the radar equipment on board. The height of the boat is 5 meters from the front deck. The length is 2.4 meter on the length, and then on the wrap door positions, the length is 2.3 meters. So it's a lot of space for loading the cargoes on board. Few minutes before we have the general outlook of the whole boat of the 15-meter multi-purpose charter boat. So now I'm sitting in the design office with our Navi computers. So you can see that the general design of the boat is quite complicated because it's diesel engine. You can see the engine is designed on these areas. It will be the Cummins diesel engine from Japan and export to Philippines. It's used engine. We have the gearbox, shaft propellers here, and here for the steering engine room for the rudder. And this big area, which from the video before is a big hatch, the entrance is this engine room. Then we have the compartment, empty compartment for the storage. We have the machine for the water maker and other equipment. And empty compartment too. It's empty, the forepeak. In few of these areas filling with foam for the flotations. Then we have the resting room here, salons, driving zone. This the 4.2 meter dinghy I mentioned before will be put on the roof. The solar panels all the way, the radar on the radar arch. We have been removable this area and put on the front of the deck. So this the layout on the roof. We have the dinghy here. We have the long arm davit here. The arch is for the left raft. Then you have more clear from this layout drawings. The hatch of crane from here is for the main engine, 2 sofas, the shower and the bathroom on the port side. Starboard side is the resting room with 2 beds. We have the oven, we have the pantry area and the sink. They have the salon area for 12 passengers on board, 2 passenger seats. Then the dimension of the front deck is 2.4 meters, the net length, and then we have 2.3 meters from this area to the bow of the raft. Then we have also all the arrangement, the bite tank, the engine room with twin engines, fresh water tank, storage tank for the toilet. They have the kill tank, and other is the empty tank. We have the 2 fuel tank on the side of the engine to supply the fuel to the Cummins engines. So this is the dimension of the boat. The main parameters is the length overall is 15 meters. The length water line is 13.94 meters. The breadth is 5 meters. The depth is 2 meters. Design draft is 0.55 meters. It's good for the shallow waters. The complement is for 12 passengers. Okay.